check up on relatives and neighbors. The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Tom Green County in West Central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wall and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near southern San Angelo and Lake Nasworthy around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.